Good morning, dear students. I am your DEBASISH sir, math teacher. Today we'll start the first chapter, rational numbers. So before we start the chapters, let's know what is natural number. All the counting numbers are called natural numbers. All the counting numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. All these are called natural numbers. Then come to whole number. All the counting numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. up to infinite. All the counting numbers including 0. We just only put 0 with counting numbers. So these are called whole numbers. Let's start integers. Integer means all the negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers are called integers. For example, negative numbers means -1, -2, -3, -4 up to minus infinite. Then 0, 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinite. All these are called integers. Let's start rational numbers. A number in the form of p by q. Here p is the numerator and q is the denominator. Where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is called rational numbers. Again, a number in the form of p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. For example, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the rational number. Here 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator, and these 2 and 3 are called integers, and here 3 is not equal to 0. It means denominator should not be 0. Now -4 by 5 is also called a rational number. Here -4 and 5 are integers and 5 is not equal to 0. Then we should know about the types of rational numbers. So rational numbers are of two types. One is positive rational number, another one is negative rational number. Let's start positive rational number. A rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either positive or both negative. It means the signs should be either positive or negative. They have both same signs. For example, 5 by 7. In the 5 by 7, the numerator is +5 and denominator is +7. Here both having same sign. In -2 by 3 also, they both having minus signs. So these are called positive rational numbers because they have same signs in numerator and denominator. Then negative rational numbers. A rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominator are of opposite signs. Opposite signs mean one should be in positive and another should be in negative. In -4 by 9, the numerator is in negative sign and the denominator in positive sign. So it is a negative rational number. They have both different signs. In 5 by -12, the numerator is in positive but the denominator is in negative. So 5 by -12 is negative rational number. Like the same way, -3 by 7, 1 by -2, all these are negative rational numbers. Then absolute value of a rational number. How to find the absolute value of a rational number? Suppose if a is any rational number, then the absolute value of a is written as this symbol. So this is the symbol of absolute value. So dear students, always remember the absolute value of any number is always positive, whether it is negative or positive, but its absolute value is always positive. Let's do some examples. Find the absolute value of the following numbers. First one is -4. So who can say what is the absolute value of -4? The absolute value of -4 is +4. Like the same way, the absolute value of -1 by 2 is +1 by 2. The absolute value of 5 by 4 is also 5 by 4. But in this case, look at here. The negative sign is outside the absolute value. First we have to find out the absolute value of 3 by 4. That is 3 by 4. But the negative sign is outside the absolute value. So we should put the negative sign. So it is -3 by 4. Understood? Here 3 by 4, the absolute value of 3 by 4 is 3 by 4. But this minus sign is outside from that absolute value. So we should write -3 by 4. Understood?